It feels like in the last week we've sort of switched into that mode where the sun you can feel warming up the inside of your car. Like
Yeah.
the last few mornings driving it, I've shut the heat off.
Oh, that's a big step.
It's a big step.
Only problem, when you get groceries, you can't just like leave everything in there anymore.
Right.
That's the perk
Good
of the heart of
point.
winter is you can just leave it
Good
there.
point.
Yeah, you're like, oh, I had to buy something frozen. Who cares?
fine.
And we'll hope
Can't
for
do
the
it right
best.
now.
But are we turning a corner kind of into this? Or?
For at least the next several days, not for the season yet, but for
Yeah.
like the next few days, we're really going to keep going in that direction. So everything's going to stay a bit warmer here soon. Now, it's going to look different though. Out in LA right now, you've heard a lot about it already. They have a lot of rain coming down right now in Southern California from an atmospheric river that's out there. It's basically just a lot of water vapor in the sky that's condensed. But that's not the same story we have right here right now. No precip outside at the moment. Really no clouds. They've all dissipated at this point, even though the sun is about to set soon. Pretty nice day we've had on a nice stretch of weather that we've had that's been pretty awesome. Those temperatures are a bit warmer though. Still obviously cold outside in the 30s right now. But like she was just saying, it really is feeling a lot warmer because of the sun. Everything is just going to continue on that path as well. The breeze that we've had giving us cooler wind chill temperatures has also calmed down significantly. Wind speeds down to around 5 to maybe up to 10 miles an hour here for the most part. And that'll calm down even more as we head into your day tomorrow. So you can generally expect everything to keep on that path. Now, across the country and across the area, we have a low pressure system out in the Atlantic that's really not our problem. We're not going to see any impacts from that. Stays off to our south. We instead keep high pressure in the area, which keeps us with some sunshine. And as we move a little bit further ahead into the week, we're going to see more mild air continuing to push in with this warm front that's moving through. And that's part of a low pressure system that's going to start to bring the potential for a few rain showers, but it's not looking like much. Every day I look, it continues to fall apart, so I wouldn't think too much about it. Overnight tonight, some clouds move in, but by the time you're getting out tomorrow morning, they should have mostly cleared by then, and then we'll have a sunny day for your day tomorrow. Could have a couple clouds trying to peek in at times, but overall, the next couple of days are generally going to be nice and sunny, so not going to be too bad on that home front. Here's some high temperatures as we go through the next several days. If you remember just earlier this weekend, we had all the temperatures right around 33 degrees, if not below that. We're going the opposite direction now and seeing temperatures that are getting into the 40s, even potentially 50 here as we get into your day on Saturday. So really going to start to warm up quite a bit more and then start to cool off as we go into the middle of next week. So we aren't going to staying warm forever, but hey, we'll take it while we got it. Pretty calm otherwise as we go through the next few days. No precip really expected. I showed this yesterday. I'm going to show it again today. There's the potential for Saturday morning, but it's continued to fall apart and stay a bit warm. So I'm not expecting to see much, if anything, in the way of precip this weekend, but you could just see a little sprinkle here or there. Again, wouldn't expect to see much. The one thing we would have liked in some areas, for a lot of us, is snow. If you haven't been loving this weather, we are quite a far ways away from where we should be because we're just low on snow. We haven't really had anything, and we're not going to have everything for the next several days, if not the next week. So it is going to stay on this track. Seas 2 to 4 feet out there, winds out of the northeast around 10 to 20 knots. And here's your 7-day forecast. It's looking pretty good. I mean, we're kind of staying on that same trend for the next few days. Cloudy for the next couple. We're going to have it getting even warmer with a few more clouds building the forecast on Friday. And then Saturday, we start to see everything getting a little bit cloudier and warmer out there, but a slight chance for a couple of rain showers.
That chair really threw you up. That chair took you down.
Yeah, this chair just goes.
Sees how it
drops. And you handled it well. Nice work, like a pro.
Very boring 7-day there, thankfully.
Yes, exactly.
Easy to
Nothing
get
to
through.
talk about.
Yeah. All right, Aaron, thank you.
you.